Good morning, dear students. How are you? This is your math lecture. Book is New Countdown, Book 5. Today is Monday, 14 December 2020. Our topic is perimeter and area. Today we will do related activity. बेटा इस एक्टिविटी में आपने 5 थिंग्स अपने घर में देखनी है और आपने उसका एरिया और पैरामीटर फाइंड करना है और उसको अपनी नोटबुक्स में राइट करना है. I have told you in the introduction of the chapter that we can find area and perimeter of all the closed shape. Today we will see its practical use. Today we are going to do an activity in which we find the area and perimeter of different things. Let us identify the shapes first. This is a book. Can you tell me its shape? Yes, its shape is rectangle and there is also a square in this book. Can you see it? Okay, so we have a rectangle and a square. So the formula to find the area of a rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth, and the formula to find the area of the square is length of one side multiplied by length of other side, because all sides of a square are equal. Here we have a triangle. You have seen this triangle in a set of square. The formula to find the area of a triangle is length multiplied by breadth divided by 2. Here we have a circle as well. The formula of area of circle is equals to pi r square. And here we have a tissue box and its shape is rectangle. So I have already told you the formula to find the area of a rectangle. Here also we have a rectangle and you know the formula of area of rectangle. Okay students, if you find the perimeter of a rectangle, you will just use the formula 2 multiplied by length plus width and you will get the perimeter as well. So students, at your home you will collect any 5 things and find its area and perimeter. Today I will show you how to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle, and then you will find the area and perimeter of different shapes. Okay students, this is our rectangle. You will measure the length of the rectangle using ruler, and you will also measure the width of the width of the shape using ruler. After that, you will prepare your notebooks. You will write date Monday 14 December 2020. You will write topic area and perimeter. You will write subtopic activity, and you will also write page number. After that, you will note down your findings on your notebook like that. First of all, we will write length of rectangle is equals to 18 centimeter. Width of rectangle is equal to 10 centimeter. Its area is equals to length multiplied by width, that is 18 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 180 centimeter square. Students, why I have written centimeter square? Because it is a two-dimensional shape. It has a length and the width. Now you will find the perimeter. The formula of perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus width. So you will write length and you will write width. After that you will add them up. 18 plus 10, 28. Then you multiply it by 2 and answer will be 56 centimeter. In that way you will find the area and perimeter of different shapes. You can find these objects everywhere at your home. You just need to collect any 5 objects and then you will measure their length and width, and then you will find their area and perimeter. Okay, I have told you the formula of area. Let us do another example. This is a square shape. How will you find its area? It's all 4 sides are equal. Its one side is equals to 10 centimeter means its other sides will also be of 10 centimeter. The area is equals to length of one side multiplied by length of other side. So 10 multiplied by 10, 100 centimeter. So its area is 100 centimeter. And when you find out its parameter, you will just add its side. So its parameter is equals to 40 centimeter. In that way, you will find the area of any 5 shapes, and then you will record your findings on your notebook. If you have any problem, you can ask in the comment box.